chào các bạn. Hi guys, from Hanoi. I finally left China and it's my first real day in Hanoi, so I arrived yesterday, but I already love the city. It's narrow, it's crowded, it's noisy, it's dirty, it's dusty, but I love it. Alright guys, so here we are in a very narrow food alley in Hanoi, and I will try a local specialty, at least I hope so, that it will be one. And this is bun, which is rice noodles, dry rice noodles with snail. Yeah, lunchtime is already over, but I still want to try it. Xin chào, tôi muốn mút bun nọc. Bun nọc. So actually it's like more like a pho, like a soup, but with vermicelli noodles. That's a snail. First time I've ever eaten. Just tastes like broth. So the broth is quite with tomatoes. Oh, very fresh. Alright guys, and because it's 8:30 in the evening, but I still have a long way home, so I ordered the egg coffee, which is a Hanoi specialty, and now she's preparing it. I don't know how it tastes. I don't like coffee, but I've heard the egg coffee is special. You can even eat it with a spoon. So, and this is it, the finished product. It's actually just like an espresso with beaten egg yolks. I will mix it up because espresso is on the bottom. I don't know how it will taste. I don't like coffee, but I think I want to try. Actually pretty tasty. Yeah, it's light coffee flavor. Okay guys, now we are in the town of Ha Giang. Also the province is called Ha Giang. We are in the north of Vietnam, which has a very beautiful landscape, and many people are coming here, many foreigners as well, to do a motorcycle trip. So I rented a motorcycle and we'll do a thing which is called the Ha Giang Loop, which is a round trip about 300 kilometers. I will probably take 3 days to do it, and yeah, now we just started the trip, so I rented a bike next in the hostel, and they took us, so many other people, to drive past by the police department to get not controlled, because I don't have a license for a motorcycle. But anyways, I think it's not a problem here in Vietnam. Guys, now I arrived for my first night in Long Van, a city 150 kilometers from Ha Giang, so I drove already 150 kilometers. It's a Hmong homestay. The Hmong are an ethnic minority in the north of Vietnam. sleep in a dormitory, which is very special. So this is the dormitory. Oh god. So guys, fortunately the rain has stopped, and I mean the view is not the best, it's still quite foggy, but yeah, I just wanted to show you this view over that valley. Very steep mountains. Down there there's a river or a lake, and yeah, very nice. Guys, now I finished the Hasang loop already, motorbike trip, and yeah, so in conclusion I can say it was nice, but the weather wasn't, so I'm quite wet. I'm already a bit dry again, but I got very wet. Driving in the rain is not fun at all, and I also hurt my foot and destroyed my shoe. Yeah, and sitting about, let's say 6 hours or 7 hours on the motorbike is not the most comfortable thing in the world, so yeah, I wouldn't do it again. But in conclusion, it's been a very nice landscape. Now I'm in Hasang again and will return to the school where I've been already 1 week before. And yeah, let's see if I will teach there again. And then I will go to my next destination in Vietnam. Be excited where it's gonna be.